Hey, hey, hey! Today I am talking about how to take a compliment. All my life, I did not do a good job of this because I did not like being the center of attention. And actually what most people said to me was, hey, smile, because I was so serious walking around and I didn't know how to take a compliment when someone gave one to me. So this was something that really helped me. And as I talked about in my TEDx talk, how to love yourself to the core, and in the other video here on YouTube about how to get over insecurities, when you can't take a compliment from someone, it's literally like a slap in the face. When someone vulnerably points out to you how beautiful you are, how fabulous you are, how gorgeous you look, how great you are at something, and then you negate them by saying, oh, no, I'm not, or oh, no, you're wrong, or oh, no, this thing, and on we go with things that deflect and back in the face of the person that compliments us. So what is likely to happen? Less likely to compliment us again because they know that we aren't taking it on. And my plea to you is to stand in a compliment. Take a minute in that so uncomfortable moment when someone says something nice to you. Take a deep breath, look them in the eye, say thank you, and then take another deep breath and feel the compliment. Hey, you're looking so great. I love that dress on you. Oh, I just got it for $5 at the dollar store. Did we need to say that part? Or could we have left it out? And it just feels so good. I used to do this and it feels so much better to take a stand in the compliment and feel it, even if it's uncomfortable. And it might be uncomfortable to not only you, but also the person who gave the compliment. Know that that is okay. The key piece here is confirming their compliment instead of negating it. So when they compliment you and they go out of their way, acknowledge it. Thank you. I love this too. Or thank you. And you can even return a compliment in that moment. That's cool too. Thank you. I love your hair too. Genuinely standing in it. Not, oh, all that stuff that we do. And we know what I'm talking about. So take a stand in the compliment, stand in that discomfort, and make eye contact, smile, feel it, breathe, and take it on and feel good about it. Use the compliments that you receive to fuel you, to fuel your confidence, and to fuel you to go out there and then pay it forward and compliment genuinely other people in this world and give it back. So hopefully that was helpful to you today. A little more self-love in your life. So much love for you. Namaste.